Alright, so here is the property that I referred to in the previous slide. This property says that if we have a composite number n, then one of its factors or divisors, of course we are talking about prime factors here only, so one of those prime factors is going to be less than or equal to the square root of the number. As in the previous example, we saw that in all the examples which were composite numbers, one of the factors was always smaller than the square root of the number. For example, if you look at 15, then 3 is a smaller factor as compared to the square root of 15, which is about 4, actually less than 4, but bigger than 3. In case of 48, we have no problem because 2 is a factor which is way less than the square root of 48. Similarly, 100 is a composite number which has very small prime factor. 512 has very small prime factor as compared to its square root. 515 also has a small factor as compared to its square root, which is about 24. Similarly, 28 has small prime factor. But if you look at the prime number 17, then of course that is the only factor and it's bigger than the square root of 17. Okay, so that property that we just studied is only for the composite numbers and does not apply on the prime numbers.